Hello guys, today we are going to talk about authentication based pop-up. So this is one website which we can use where we can get this condition. So let me launch this website and show you the behavior. So in this particular website we have a lot of different elements which we can use for learning Selenium with Java. So here I'm going to use this basic auth, and the credentials what needs to be used for a successful login are admin that they have mentioned. User and password is admin. Okay, so if I'll click on basic auth and I'll mention admin and admin and click on sign in, then we will get something like this. Congratulations, you must have proper credentials. So this is the first behavior which we are going to validate. Now let me quickly open Eclipse and I'll create a class here. Sorry, authentication based pop-up, and I'll select public static void main, and I'll just copy the code for initial browser launch and URL launch from another script. So I'll copy these three steps in this. So basically WebDriver launch and whatever URL we want to launch. In our case we want to launch, I'll copy this, and we can navigate from here to the next page, but let's take the next page. So I'll open this and I'll take this particular URL directly. Now if instead of driver.get whatever other URL is there, I'm going to mention this. Okay, now this particular URL is going to launch this and we are going to get a page like this. Okay, now since this particular pop-up is not going to have any DOM element, it is not going to present in your inspect or HTML if you say. So we have to pass these credentials, and how we are going to pass this is actually coming from the browser. So the way to do that is in whatever URL you are working with. So I'll put this, comment out this line. So this is going to be the first part, whatever protocol colon and forward slash, and then whatever is your username. Okay, that we need to mention username, and then whatever is your password, that needs to be separated with a colon. Okay, and then at the rate. So this is what the syntax is. Whatever is your protocol and username colon password at the rate, and then the remaining part of your URL. So there need not be any space. I have just included that to explain. So if we pass like this, then automatically whatever we are passing in username and password is going to go into this section. Okay, so let me close this, and we will pass this value. I will copy this and we will place it here. So the username and password as mentioned in this particular website was admin is the username and admin is the password. Now let me maximize this as well. Now if I run this, we are going to see the congratulations. That means that our login and password was working fine and the sign in happened. So as you can see that it is working fine. Let me close this out. Let me show you the another scenario as well. So basically if I use this particular link and again I try to do the authentication. So first I want to show you how it works. So if let's say I'm entering some wrong password, I'll put pass and pass. So what happens if you enter wrong credentials? It clicks on sign in and then it populates this thing back again. Okay, it is not going to give any failure. That's how this website is designed. So we'll try that scenario as well. So instead of putting admin the right passwords, I'll just write admin and then I'll put password pass or something like that here, so that it is incorrect, and it should launch that pop-up back again. So let's check it out. So see what happened is it entered the username and password, but since it was not right, it has popped it up back again. So this is a very simple way to handle authentication based pop-ups, and that pretty much sums up this video. In case you like my content, do like, share and subscribe, and have a great day. Thank you.